Good afternoon. This is question 1 for homework number 5, part 2. So this is the one from Monday, January 29th. For this question, we're going to go ahead and copy it down nice and neatly over here in our workspace. So we'll write 2 plus 6, and then we have parentheses 2 minus 9 inside the parentheses. 2 minus 9, and then we have plus 6 squared divided by 12. Plus 6 squared divided by 12. In this case, we don't see an equal sign, so we know that for these types of questions, we need to use the order of operations in order. So over here, I'm going to write P for parentheses, E for exponents, MD for multiplication, division, whichever comes first, and AS for addition, subtraction, whichever comes first. So when I come over here, I'm going to first solve my parentheses. 2 minus 9, I know is negative 7. I know that because if I imagine a number line in my head, if this is 0, and I'm starting with 2, 1, 2, if I'm subtracting a number, I'm going to be going this direction. So I would need to go 9 bumps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, which would put us at negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7. So you can imagine that in your head to figure out if it's going to be a negative or positive. I'm going to keep it in parentheses because over here it's touching a number. I'm going to carry down everything on both sides. And then I'm going to see what else I have. So I have no more math inside my parentheses, but I do have an exponent here. So I'm going to expand this. I know that whenever I have a number raised to a power, it's going to be this number multiplied by itself this many times. So this would be 6 times 6 because that's 2 times. Then I'm going to carry down everything else. So divided by 12 on this side. I have this plus sign that I'm going to carry down. And then I have the parentheses negative 7, the 6 outside, and the plus 2. So now I'm going to come over here. Any math inside my parentheses? Yes, I have 6 times 6. So that becomes 36. I can keep the parentheses if I want, but if I look on both sides, it's just a symbol. It's not a letter or a number. So I can actually get rid of them if I want to. Carry down the divided by 12, carry down the plus sign, carry down my minus 7, carry down my 6, and my plus 2. Come back over here. No more math inside my parentheses. Exponents I've taken care of. Multiplication or division, whichever comes first. So I have both. I have division here, and then this, parentheses touching a number, that's going to be multiplied. So I have to do the one that comes first. In this case, this one comes first. So 6 times negative 7 is going to be negative 42 because I have a positive number times a negative number. And then carry down everything else. 2 plus, and then over here, plus 36 divided by 12. No more parentheses, no more exponents, multiplication and division. I have this right here. 36 divided by 12 is going to be 3. Carry down the plus sign, carry down the negative 42, carry down the plus and the 2. No more parentheses, no more exponents, no more multiplication or division, addition and subtraction, whichever comes first. So if I look here, I'm going to do this one first. 2 plus negative 42. That's the same as saying 2 minus 42. If you're adding a negative, it's going to be the same as subtract. So 2 minus 42, think of your number line, 2 subtract 42, that would end up with negative 40. Carry down my plus 3, and now all I need to do is negative 40 plus 3. Again, think of your number line. We're going to end up with negative 37, and that is your final answer.